since you went from lonely to falling in love.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel or another video. My name is Karen, and in today's video I'm going to be tackling my master bedroom. I'm going to be decluttering my dresser. It has a lot of stuff on it that doesn't belong. I'm going to get that taken care of. I'm going to be doing some rearrangement in here. My nightstand has a lot of clothes that my daughter can no longer wear, so I'm going to be giving the ones she can't wear anymore away and putting the ones she can still wear in the closet. I'm going to use the nightstand for Pampers and wipes, so I can have easy access to them. I'm going to do a little bit of decor in here. It's not a lot, just a little bit. I'm just going to do a decor throughout my house a little at a time. I'm just going to take my time with it. But that nightstand, or no, actually it's an end table that my TV is on. I'm going to paint that black, but I do it off camera. It's late, so I wanted to get it done. It had to dry for 24 hours, so that's all. But you will see it at the very end when the room is done, and I'm just going to put a little bit of decor on it. It's not a lot. Like I said, it's not a lot of stuff going on with the decor, but it's just a little bit just to give the room something going on, because the room is just plain right now. I haven't did anything in my home, so I wanted to do it in my video so people can see how everything looked before. So I'm going to finish up by getting the beds cleared off and the floors, and then I'm gonna finish up with with vacuuming and steam mopping. So I hope y'all enjoy the video, guys.
Brain got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. 'Cause baby, I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain. Got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna say? I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you, the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you, the way you used to hold me. Like the sun and the water singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I'm a little bit naughty, I'm a little bit too consumed, but every part of my body is telling me to run away from you. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. You're a little bit crazy. It's been days, but you never change. What's love got to do with it? He comes around, better knock that stuff down. Come a little bit closer, yeah, yeah. Come a little bit closer, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. You're a little bit selfish. You get mad every time you lose. You can't take me with you. I'm scared you're gonna blow your fuse. Come a little bit closer, yeah. I can really start over, yeah. In the back of my mind, there's someone waiting on me. You're just wasting my time because you're scared and lonely. Finally got some closure, yeah. I can finally start over, yeah. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Here's to the memories. Cheers to who used to be. Your friend said that you left me. I'm glad that's what you believe. To all my ladies who got a brother that doesn't treat them right, put your finger right in his face and tell that man bye-bye. I'm too fly, I'm too fly. Oh, bye-bye, bye-bye. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell goodbye. U-G-L-I, you'll never see me cry. U-G-L-I, that's how you spell it. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, but put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7. I'll be fine.
Hey guys, this is about the end of the video. I'm just going to finish up vacuuming and steam mopping. If you made it this far in the video, you're awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified for more videos. And then for my subscribers, guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel, guys. I really appreciate it. And I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you. Bye.
I just want your time.